Hello people, it's Saturday and today we're going to Sanford, Manitoba to try and unbox an inflatable boat that I bought on Facebook Marketplace. And Sanford is about 25 to 30 minute drive from Winnipeg, and we're gonna go on the La Salle River and see what this boat is like. So stay tuned. So this is Sage Creek area, and we just stopped by at Sobeys. There's a lot of new buildings here. What happened? So this is the view going to the town of La Salle, Manitoba. Lots of fields on the side. La Salle is the largest urban center in the RM of McDonald, with a population of approximately 1,589. The community members are active in establishing facilities and infrastructure that will meet the needs of the urban center. The community is rapidly growing, serving as a bedroom community for the city of Winnipeg. So the boat is inflated, and my son attached all the seat cushions, and there you go. The lady that I got this excursion boat
This one isn't. This is all one piece.
forgot to include the paddle, so we're improvising.
And I drag.
We're on up to our new adventure, and that weighs maybe about 50 pounds. You agree? Good workout today, guys. Just slide it. So we made it to La Salle River. La Salle River is a river in Manitoba, Canada, with its source near Portage La Prairie and terminating in the Red River in St. Norbert, southern Winnipeg. The La Salle River flows mainly through agricultural land. It is a slow-moving, meandering prairie river with variable depth. It is the primary river that flows throughout most of the rural municipality of McDonald. Yeah, because
It's got to be on top.
it's okay. You just need to wash your hands.
Do you want this one? Are you that dainty that you need this one?
Okay, is this how far we can go? Is this like 5 kilometers? I told you.
This is less than a 1 kilometer.
I told you, trolling motor would have been faster than
A little bit. With proper paddles.
I'm just gonna invest in a trolling motor now that we don't have paddles.
Invest in paddles first. Mom, can you flick that?
That's Grandma. That's the river.
Okay.
Those are trees.
Oh, okay.
That's my dad. That's my mom. That's me.
Okay, tell her.
Maybe a little bit on the end.
Are you videotaping us?
Yup. Getting every single second of it.
Oh boy, this is hard work, man. This is like a lot of work.
Yeah, it's like harder than taking a video.
Do you want to switch?
Why?
Maybe you row better on this side.
You think so?
Yeah, if you're right-handed. Maybe you do. Might be more
I
comfortable
think
for you.
I'm okay.
Alright.
Yeah, I just need a shorter paddle.
A lighter one.
Yeah, I need a lighter one too.
But this is good for now.
Well, here's a boat up ahead. Maybe you can grab a paddle out of that.
Oh yeah, let's go check. Okay, I think it's like Kyle and Lisa. Yeah, we could probably
sorry.
borrow it.
Boat.
Okay,
Boat.
you row on that side, hand. Why am I doing all the work?
You're not. If we're turning this way,
Boat.
that means you're not doing any work.
You can see the boat.
See, I'm keeping us straight.
Boy, we're moving now.
Yeah, that
Yeah? Yeah, right there.
that's Kyle and Lisa's house.
No, go ahead. I'm kind of like enjoying the scenery.
That's a
We're gonna
boat.
go see if they have a paddle there. Maybe we'll borrow it.
We're gonna steal the
So we can
paddle
go a
from
little
the boat.
farther.
Then we have to bring them back. You
And
know?
then return it after when.
We're gonna borrow without asking those paddles from that boat.
Mm-hmm.
There's motor too.
I can feel
Okay, we figure it out.
Motor.
it. You need to be paddling.
I do.
Yeah, Mom, you have to put in some work.
Okay, good thing I did a dragon boat.
We're coming to the boat.
Dragon boat.
Is there
Okay, now we
Boat.
need to turn
boat?
around.
No. Boat.
Turn around. Okay. Okay.
We are at boat.
Okay, you see something?
Any paddles we can steal? Nope.
Jeez, Kyle. Why would you have a boat with no
Tanner,
paddles?
take a picture of the boat.
Got a motor.
I'm in a video right now.
Yeah, take a picture, a video of the boat.
I did.
Did you turn around?
Okay,
Yes.
so there's no paddles? All right.
Wait. Gotta
Click it off.
take a
Yep.
video of the boat. No, the boat. Okay.
Okay, Kyle.
Paddle. So much with me drinking a beer.
This is a lot of closeness, isn't it?
Boat. Ah. Boat. Boat. People.
Woman of Facebook, why you didn't bring a paddle? Would have been easier.
Yeah, a woman from Facebook that wanted to meet in a sketchy McDonald's
Chicken house
driveway.
here.
Yeah.
I think it would be faster for Sally, can you use your picture now, please?
Okay.